Welcome to Callmama. We provide virtual phone numbers that you can use for WhatsApp verification. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of setting up WhatsApp with a virtual number and how it can benefit you. A virtual phone number is a phone number that is not tied to a specific device, carrier, or location. You can use it to make and receive calls and messages, just like a regular phone number. At Callmama, we offer virtual phone numbers from various countries worldwide. You can choose a number that suits your needs and preferences. Our virtual numbers come with cloud telephony features, making it easier for you to manage your calls and messages. Setting up WhatsApp with a virtual number is easy. All you have to do is download the WhatsApp Messenger or WhatsApp Business app, depending on whether you're using it for personal or business purposes. Using a virtual number for WhatsApp verification offers several benefits. For instance, you can keep your personal phone number private, make international calls and messages at affordable rates, and manage your business communication more efficiently. For businesses, having a virtual number can improve customer engagement and loyalty. Try it today and see how it can benefit you. Callmama, connecting people with loved ones.